We are right in the middle of this huge leap in artificial intelligence. Seriously, we're moving from AI that just, creates content to AI that can actually achieve goals for you. So let's break down what that actually means. I mean, we've all been there, right? You ask an AI chatbot for help and it gives you this super generic answer, or worse, it just gets stuck in a loop. It's helpful, yeah, but only up to a point. So what's missing? The AI we're used to today, it's a brilliant writer, no doubt. But here's the thing. It's fundamentally reactive. It can't actually do anything. It has zero memory of your last conversation, and it knows nothing specific about your world. It's kind of like having this brilliant expert who gets total amnesia every single time you ask a new question. Okay, to really see this evolution in action, let's follow a day in the life of a support manager. Trust me, their complex workflow is the perfect stress test for the limits of the AI we know today. So this isn't just one single task we're talking about. It's this constant juggling act. The manager is drafting FAQs, trying to categorize tickets, assign them, escalate the urgent stuff, and then follow up to make sure customers are happy. Every single step is critical. Now, let's see how our journey through AI evolution can actually help them out. All right, so we're going to take this step by step on a 4-stage journey. We'll start with the basic AI that we all know, and then we're going to upgrade it. And you'll see how each new layer of intelligence solves one more critical piece of our support manager's puzzle. First up, our manager gets a basic LLM-based chatbot. You know the kind, the sort of generative AI that's everywhere now. It's really good at one thing, writing. Let's see how it holds up. And right away, you can see the problem. Sure, the AI can draft responses, but the manager is stuck manually copying and pasting everything. The advice it spits out is totally generic, not tailored to the company's policies at all. And the second you close that chat window, poof, it forgets everything. You see, the AI isn't just failing to solve the manager's problems, it's actually creating new work. So that's the big question, right? What's the point of an AI that generates answers if those answers are just plain wrong or way too generic to be useful? And that question leads us right into our first major upgrade. All right, welcome to stage 2. Now, we give the AI a library card to the company's internal brain. Its knowledge base, all its past tickets, its policies. This whole technique is called retrieval augmented generation, or RAG for short. Basically, before the AI even thinks about answering, it does its homework using the company's own private documents. And just like that, the AI's advice is actually useful. It's drafting company-specific FAQs, it's suggesting accurate ticket categories, but look at what's still missing. It's still just reactive, waiting for the manager's next command. It can suggest a category, but it still can't click the button to actually assign the ticket. It's smarter, for sure, but it has no hands. Okay, so we've made the AI smarter. It's now this brilliant consultant, right? It can tell you what to do, but it can't do it for you. So how do we fix that? And that brings us to stage 3, giving the AI tools. We use things called APIs. Think of them like universal remote controls. To connect our AI to the company's CRM, its email, its ticketing systems, we're finally giving our AI some digital hands. And wow, suddenly the whole game changes. The AI doesn't just suggest a reply, it pushes it live to the support platform. It doesn't just recommend a category, it actually tags and assigns the ticket itself. It's an active participant now, a real doer. But, and this is a big but, there's still one huge piece of the puzzle missing. Think about it. It can do all these amazing things, but only when you tell it to, step by step. It's like a powerful puppet with really strong limbs, but it has no brain of its own. It has no memory of the whole process, no ability to plan, and it definitely can't adapt if something unexpected happens. We need to cut the strings. And this is the final and honestly the most important leap. We're moving from a tool that just follows instructions to a system that understands and pursues a goal on its own. This is where we shift to Agentic AI. So what exactly makes an AI agentic? It's not just about having tools. It's about having autonomy. An agent can plan, it can remember, and it can adapt all by itself to achieve a high-level goal. You stop giving it tasks, and you start giving it a mission. Okay, this is the breakthrough. The manager stops saying, categorize this ticket, and starts saying, resolve all customer tickets within 24 hours. The agent then creates and executes the entire plan. It has memory, so it can track tickets from start to finish, and it can adapt, so if there's a sudden surge in volume, it can handle it on its own. You see, every single friction point we've been talking about, poof, it's gone.
And that is the real transformation here. The manager is finally freed from that daily grind of just doing tasks. Their role elevates from being a doer to a director. They're overseeing the AI, managing by exception, and focusing on the big picture strategy.
All right, so to wrap all this up, let's really nail down the fundamental difference between the AI we've been using and this new agentic world.
So on the left, you've got generative AI. Its goal is just content creation. Its behavior is reactive. It sits there and waits for your prompt. Now on the right, you have agentic AI. Its goal is goal achievement. Its behavior is proactive and autonomous. It doesn't wait, it plans, it reasons, and it acts to get the job done.
Look, if you remember just one thing from all of this, make it this. Generative AI creates. Agentic AI achieves. It's the difference between a calculator that can give you an answer and a spreadsheet that can run an entire financial model for you. And that kind of leaves us with one final big thought. We've seen how this completely transforms customer support, but just think about your own work for a second, your own goals. What would you do with an assistant that could not just help you with tasks, but could take on and complete entire projects for you? I mean, the possibilities are just staggering.